It's like...
We are now live.
It's not even 10 o'clock.
I'm just getting ready to say good morning, Paddy.
I just need to go down to my...
He's getting his hat. It's freezing here in Dimboola. I haven't climatised from Cairns weather yet, so I've got a cardigan on. Hey Jack. Hey Jazzy. Yeah, I'm freezing. So Mum hasn't lit the fire, but we're going to light it after this. If you're in my kitchen, I wouldn't allow the cardigan, but because it is 10 degrees, I am cold. So while waiting for Paddy to come back up, and you can hear it in my voice, I'm very cold. You've got your ingredients. So I done a typo last when I put the thing up. You can, if you've got plain flour ready, use your plain flour, that's fine. But I always use self-raising flour, so I don't know why I put that on the ingredients. So you've got your 1 cup of self-raising flour, your 2 eggs. So I reckon we only need 1. Your sugar, 1/3 of a cup, and your milk, 1/2 a cup. Okay. One of my teacher aides from Tully, Jazzy's just said she's using it as a PD, so this is good. This is good. Okay, so flour, sugar, milk, eggs. I'm just waiting for Paddy. Sorry, guys. I've been back in Dimboola since Wednesday last week. So I'm doing this because I've got a skill and I want to help your kids out, or children, or whichever, nieces, nephews, and we'll go from there. But whisking, we're going to look at 2 things today. So we're going to look at how to use a whisk and how to mix things properly. Okay, and also heat control. So we'll I'll describe that. I don't know where Paddy is. Mum, Paddy! He's coming now. Okay. So, Eloise, Ruby, are you in yet? Here he is. Oh, don't leave it like that. Please. Here he comes. Please, come here. He's not talking to me yet. He's still asleep. Hey, Gabes. Hey, Izzy. Izzy and Giselle are my nieces, and they joined in as well. So make sure you've got your whisk, bowl, frying pan, and egg flip. Leave your jumper off.
No. Do what I want.
He's had his cup of tea and toast this morning. Okay. Are we ready? Are we ready? Come.
Yes. Just need a sip of Coke to get me going.
No, you don't. There is no way. Don't, Paddy. It's going to be on like Donkey Kong. Okay. Alright, Paddy, come over here. I'm just giving him a mum look. And you can hear Blue, that's my stepdad's dog, in the background. He's looking because he wants to go for a walk. And oh, shoot, I just said the word. Look at his face.
You're taking for a walk now.
Okay, Paddy,
what?
You can whisk. Yeah, get up. Get off your phone.
I don't want to whisk. You said I can just sit here and say the question.
Yeah. No, Blue. Mom!
Blue!
Sorry, guys. Put him out. Just put him out. Paddy, get rid of it.
No, Mum, you want some attention.
Yeah, out. Come on, out.
You think she's taking him for a walk?
I'm not. Don't say the W word. Okay, sorry guys, coming back to it. Alright, flour. You're going to put your flour in, get rid of that now.
I don't want to be in the cooking show.
Okay, flour into the bowl. Ooh. Okay, you're going to put your sugar. Your sugar in, yeah? Oh my goodness, that dog. Okay. I'm going to put yours down so you guys can see how to crack an egg. Alright. Got your egg, always with your eggs. Crack it into something first before you actually put it into the bowl, okay? Can you go close Mum's door, please? Thanks for being so helpful, Paddy. I think he needs a coffee. Alright, when you're cracking an egg, yeah? Just tap it on the side of a bowl or tap it here, yeah? How much? Ellie is asking how much which. Hey Tara. My cousin's daughter is just asking how much, because Paddy's not doing his job yet. Okay.
You mean your sister's daughter?
What? No, cousin Jack down in Melbourne.
Oh.
Alright, so you're cracking the egg and you've got to have a little bit of a thing. Like, don't crack it that it's going to smash. Get the kids to do this, okay? If they make a mess, it's okay. It's in your kitchen, not mine. Put your thumb in, yep, and then just don't force it, and then just open it up, yeah? That's it.
You got shells in there.
No, I didn't.
You got like 6 in there.
If you get shells in your egg mix, use the actual shell to get it out because it works like a magnet. It's really cool. Okay, save you putting your fingers in there. Hey Tara, you in with your class? Oh my gosh, I'm so cold down here. It's like 10 degrees.
It's 28.
Come up, stand up, Paddy, please. Come on. Okay, you're going to put your egg in. And then your milk. Gosh, okay, I'm only put the one egg in at the moment. Paddy, can you stir, please? Come, move.
Well, I have to move.
Anyway,
You're
alright.
cooking.
When you're stirring, when you're whisking, hold the whisk. Don't use all of your arm, just use your wrist, okay? And just slowly, don't be like really, really fast or you're going to make a mess. And I will need that other egg.
What are you even making?
Oh, Paddy.
No. I don't know what you're making.
Pancakes, mate.
Oh.
Pancakes. Okay, I'm going to add the other egg. Oh, I'm so cold. Okay. With the kids, if they've got a big bowl, just hold the bowl for it and give them a go at using the whisk. Paddy, can you grab some more milk out, please? Always go from the outside in. If you're doing a wet batter, thanks. Gosh, he's just frowning at me. He's a teenage boy. Can you say hi at least? Can you say hello to Eloise and Ruby? Eloise, Ruby, you there?
Well, they can't say they're there.
They can type it.
They're little, they don't know how to type yet.
I got some attitude going on here. Okay, so milk. I'm going to add a little bit more milk with mine. The consistency, it's too... It is by... Sorry. I tried to set up a different camera this morning and it didn't work. Add. See that? Paddy, don't, please.
Let's go like that.
What? No, you just... Come on.
Wood.
I'm going to help. Okay, if you haven't got sugar, you can use things like honey.
How much Ellie is asking?
Pardon?
How much Ellie is asking?
Yeah, I don't know how much which. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Okay. Yeah, so with the plain flour, if you use plain flour, that's okay. It's just not going to rise and be fluffy. Hey, Eloise and Ruby. Paddy says hi too. He's just still asleep, I think. The joys of teenagehood. Okay, so that's it. So make sure that your batter's smooth. Okay. Oh, it's too shiny. Sorry, guys. If you've got lumps in your mix, they don't dissolve when you cook it. So make sure that your mixture... Hey, Kylie! Make sure that your mixture is smooth.
Connor join.
Because if it's not... Why don't you say hi to one of your friends? Connor, can you tell Paddy to wake up, please? And yeah, make sure it's smooth before you start cooking, because if it's not, it's going to be lumpy and you don't want lumpy stuff. And we're going to go over to the heat control, okay? And Patty's going to come over here and cook. Patty, move it, mate. This is his one job, and guess he's not getting any technology after this.
Yes, I am.
Oh, then move it over here.
No.
Yes.
I don't want to cook. I'm not cooking.
All right. Can you guys see that? If you've got gas at home, make sure that your guardian lights the gas for you, and the parent supervision is a must through this process. Heat control. So what we're going to do, I'm going to turn on we've got gas here, so I'm going to turn the heat on a high. So I'm going to put a full bore, high heat, big old cast iron pan. Get the heat in there first. Now, if you Google pancake recipes, there will be about 10,000 different recipes. Do what works. I make this recipe in the mornings with my students or before they arrive to class. And it's just, self-raising flour, sugar, egg, milk. You can adjust the consistency. So if it's too wet, add more flour. If it's not wet enough,
Blue.
blue. If it's not wet enough, add more milk or an egg, whichever. Okay, while that's heating up, I'm going to cut some butter. Patty, come over, please. Come.
Just do your own thing. I'm not a cook. I eat.
Get up.
No, don't
What?
shame me.
Well, then get up. I'm like Mother of the Year here. Oh my goodness. Okay. So if you've got butter or oil, use that. I'm just gonna, so that's melting, okay? That heats up high. Now the thing with controlling heat, you want to get that pan hot first, and then you're going to turn the heat down. So the heat's already in there, okay? If it's burning, turn it off. This is what happens in my classes a lot with just is that things will burn. I'll be back. Can you entertain? Please, out.
You punch so hard.
Thanks, mate. Okay, sorry, I just had to put the dog out because he was just blinking at me. And heat up, okay? If it burns, turn it off. If it's too hot, turn it down, okay? Take the pan straight off the heat. Pretty easy. Make sure everyone's, like your kids, are safe while they're doing this as well, okay? Come on, up. Move.
No.
Yes. Do you love how? Okay. So you can make them as big as you want. Patty, just come over here and just do one, then you can disappear. Move it.
I'll do the last one.
Patty, move it.
I'll do the last
Butter's
one.
starting to... oh, goodness. Oil. I'm going to get some oil as well, which I can't find. Get up.
I think I'll do the last one. Oh.
Sorry, guys. Apologies about not having anyone on the camera. Okay, you're going to get a spoonful. I'm just going to use a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons, whichever. I'm going to turn that down now, and I'm just going to put it straight into the pan. Okay?
Is that small pancake?
Yeah, just small pancakes. Oops. Yeah.
No.
Can you do it,
I
please?
just want to watch it.
Yeah, but I've got a fork, mate. Come.
I said I'll do the last couple.
That's the last couple.
Oh.
Come. Thank you.
Doing
Here
it
he is.
fine.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. All right. So, as he's cooking them,
I'll put 2 in one.
yeah, you can do that. Look, there's no right or wrong way, or there's just do what works. two of our pancakes. That's enough now. Just put it there. Don't be silly, mate.
Oh.
3 of our pancakes are just starting to... That's enough. Don't put any more in. No. Just look, you haven't got any room. Yeah. Now, when you're going to flip it... just give it a bit of a jiggle. Okay? Paddy, you come do this.
No.
Come.
No.
Come.
No, stop asking me to do stuff. It's your cooking.
Well, then you talk or something, because I think everyone wants to see you.
I am talking.
Alright, I'm going to turn that up a little bit. And I'm just going, can I turn that around? Sorry, guys. Okay, so you can see the bubbles here. This is nearly ready. Same as those. And that's it. If you wanted to make banana pancakes, like we've got some bananas that are going brown, you can cut those up and put them into the mixture. You can put the banana straight onto the pan and then put the batter over it. What else can you do? You can just change your flavouring. Oh, Annie Gabe says, good job, Patty. Good job, Patty.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold. The fire will be going tomorrow morning, so there you go. How's everyone's pancakes going? Gabe's, how's Izzy going? Eloise, Ruby, how are you guys going? Mine are always rubber. Kylie just said don't be grumpy.
I'm not grumpy, I'm tired.
You're tired. Okay, cool. Get a plate ready. Next to you. If I can get Patty to move, please. Thank you, Bob. Thanks for being
I'll move. You don't have to just go there.
Alright. Hey.
You need some help, Mom?
Yes, please. So these ones are ready? Okay.
Yeah, you gonna cook it anymore?
What do you took? Okay, so with your pancake, I'm gonna... Thanks, Patty. I'm going to just do these last couple. Make sure that you go through the whole batter. If you've got any questions, just email them through. I'll stay not online, but I'll keep Instagram open. Have it with some butter. Cut up some fruit if you've got some fruit, and just you can saute the fruit off with a little bit of butter and brown sugar as well to caramelise it. What else have we got? That's about it, I think. Just don't be scared. Give it a go. If it doesn't work, we'll figure out why it didn't work, okay? Oh, and can you please send me through your finished pancakes? Tag me on them. That'll be really, really cool. So as you can see, my pan's smoking. Oh, you probably can't see it, so I'm just going to turn that down. Here, Patty, do the
Hey,
next
Mum,
one.
you know all the girls in your family are teachers?
Yeah. Come.
What the hell?
You're just going to put them on the pan, Patty.
It's too much.
Oh. Let's see how these babies went. There you go. Okay. The good thing my stepdad likes me doing this, because he gets to have some morning smoking.
She's not even working.
You're doing such a good job, Bub. I'm really proud of you.
Well.
Just careful. When you do dip it, see how you're making the mess, just quickly pick it up and then put it that way. Yeah. Flip. Have a go at just flipping one. Just
I know how to cook pancakes.
Well, then show me.
I use pancake mix.
Hey?
I use pancake mix.
What for? It's only flour, sugar and egg anyway, milk.
Yeah, so is this.
That one's better. Okay.
Just don't tell me how to cook my pancakes.
Can you hear him? He's telling me that I shouldn't tell him how to cook his pancakes. Ooh.
I mean, I cook them good.
You do cook them good. You're a good cook.
Oh, don't be sarcastic.
I'm not being sarcastic. I think you're really amazing.
Oh, yeah, sure. Why'd you turn it down?
Because it's starting to burn. That's what I said. When things start to burn, if they're a bit too brown, turn it down.
It's
that rhymes. We
it's
can
not
start our
burn,
own rap
Mum.
song. Pardon?
It's not burn. That's like
Okay, cool.
marshmallow.
Well, add cocoa for chocolate pancakes. Yeah, absolutely. You can add chocolate and chopped chips. Berries if you've got berries as well. Any fruit at all. And
No, don't touch my pancake.
I'm not touching your pancakes. But you see, they weren't bubbled on top, therefore they weren't ready.
Yeah, so
They're not ready, bub.
Come back over.
Okay. Morning, Peter. Morning, Des. He's 14 and he likes following instructions. Don't all 14-year-olds. Okay, so enjoy your pancakes. Sorry about the self-raising plain flour thing again.
What are you going to put on it, Mum?
What are you on? Jam? I'll put some jam.
Jam doesn't taste good.
Okay. So tomorrow what we're going to do is we are going to make damper. I'm going to use a recipe from Wandu Mai book, so Rebecca Sullivan's husband Damien. I'm not sure what his country's called over in Adelaide, but it's his damper recipe, so I've got permission to use that. And also I'm going to harvest some saltbush today, and Patty's going to get a pinch. No, I'm joking, I'm really joking.
You're going to give me the belt.
You might listen. Okay, so I'm going to get some saltbush. I'll harvest that this afternoon, so I'll show you what it looks like. For those that are in Dimboola that are doing this class, what I'll do is I'll harvest some extra and I'll leave it in Mum's letterbox so you can come past and grab some to do the saltbush damper with us tomorrow. Thank you for signing in and watching this, and apologies for...
Whoa.
Hey, actually, it's just us, and we're just doing this for a little bit of entertainment from our kitchen, from Mum's kitchen to yours. Okay, have fun and have a good day, and message me if you've got any questions. Okay,
Mum, I'm
ciao.
good at flipping.
Say bye, Patty.